Okay, we are going to talk about a sumo deadlift. This is more of a wider stance, might be easier for you. It's gonna work a little bit more glutes than the conventional deadlift. Conventional deadlift works a little bit more of your erectors in your back, so your back muscles. This is gonna work a little bit more glutes, okay? So we're gonna take a wide stance, wider than shoulder width apart, play around with this. Some people, it might feel really good to go super wide. For me personally, that doesn't feel too good. So I like to take just like a moderate sumo stance, okay? So a little bit wider than shoulder width. Your toes are going to be pointed out, all right? Not forward, they're gonna be pointed out. We wanna open up those hips as much as we can, okay? So I'm in position, a little bit wider than shoulder width, toes pointed out. I'm cry chopping my hips back, okay? So I'm pushing my butt back, arms are hanging down, okay? And I'm going to get in position. So the barbell is touching my shins, okay? And I'm grabbing on the inside of my legs, okay? And I just wanna literally just grab the barbell about shoulder width. So I want my arms just hang straight down. I'm not moving my arms in or out. Wherever my arms go, that's where I'm grabbing the barbell, okay? So cry chopping my hips, squatting down, okay? So I'm in a nice position from here, okay? And then I'm engaging my upper back. So I'm thinking of having a nice tall chest, okay? Thinking of squeezing oranges in my armpit, all right? So I'm nice tall chest, squeeze the oranges, and then I'm thinking of spreading the floor part with my feet, okay? So if there was a crack going down the middle of the floor, I'm thinking of pushing my feet out of my shoes. That's gonna help engage your side butt and the sides of your legs, okay? So I'm actively pushing the floor out this way, okay, as I'm in position, okay? Everything's nice and tight, and then I'm driving the floor away from me, and I'm humping the bar at the top and reversing down, pushing my butt back, bending my knees. All right, let's show you from the side what this looks like. Okay, so I'm in position, all right? So when we're from the side, we don't want our butt too low, okay? So you don't want your butt so low that it's essentially a squat, all right? And your chest is super tall and your back's more vertical. One, this is gonna hit your knees as you come up. And two, this is essentially a squat. This will be working more quads. We wanna work more glutes, okay? And we don't want our butt too high, all right? That's gonna place a lot of tension on your lower back, and it's gonna be more hamstrings, and it's just gonna be really hard. So we don't want our butt too high with the lower back rounded, and then essentially we're pulling the weight up with our lower back. So you basically wanna tuck your chin a bit. You wanna just push your butt back, okay? Sink your butt down, all right? Until there's a nice straight line. See how it's at a little bit of a 45-degree angle? And then I'm looking down so that there's a nice straight line from my head all the way to my butt, all right? So my butt is raised a little bit, but my knees aren't super high in the air. So I have a nice flat back, about a 45-degree angle, and my butt's in the air. And then from here, we're taking the tension out of the bar, so we're pulling up a little bit, so you hear that click. So I'm pulling up a little bit, hear the click, driving my feet out this way, pushing the floor away from me, humping the bar, reversing back down.